in the world is not a fan of potato? Brown, crisp, and perfect to mix with anything or eat as a solo. Is it not something we all adore? In fact, potato is one of the most important non-cereal crop in the world and fourth most important crop overall after corn, wheat, and rice. With facts come some doubts. Diabetic people are in constant dilemma whether to consume potato or not. In this video, we shall understand this and suggest some appropriate methods of consumption of potato. Before we go ahead, let us understand the important problem that diabetic people face. Diabetes is a condition where body cannot produce sufficient insulin to enable the glucose reach the body cells. In a normal body, the food we eat, carbohydrates or sugar, is converted in the form of glucose. This glucose then needs insulin to reach the body cells and gain energy. However, with improper production of insulin, the energy doesn't get released in the body and the sugar levels of the body are on constant rise. This situation is also known as sugar spike. 100 grams of potato has about 16 grams of carbohydrate, which is significant, but the insufficiency of insulin causes problem in diabetes. However, this does not mean that the body does not require any starch at all. Starch, in fact, according to the experts, slows down the digestion process and helps avoid sudden sugar spikes. Therefore, doctors have some important tips when it comes to consuming potatoes. Doctors say that diabetic people can consume potatoes but with certain precautions. Let us understand those precautions in detail. First, portion size. Portion size of a potato is an important consideration. Too much of a potato will hence amount to too much amount of carbohydrate and thus not appropriate for diabetes. Second, preparation method. There is a drastic difference in the nutrition of the vegetable when potatoes are boiled versus potatoes are fried. It has been found that deep and shallow frying the potatoes in oils and animal fats increases the trans fat content, thus enhances the risk of heart diseases. It is therefore a good practice to boil or steam the potatoes. Third, mix potatoes with other healthy vegetables. There are a lot of other vegetables like broccoli, spinach, tomatoes, and cabbage that can act as a healthy mix for the potato. It substantially helps to enhance the nutrition level of the food. Fourth, avoid heavy toppings. Heavy toppings on potato, like with butter or mayonnaise, should be better avoided to keep it light. What type of potatoes are better? It has been found that sweet potatoes have a low glycemic index compared to other form of potatoes, and also sweet potatoes offer a better nutrition. They are hence better for consumption. Tips while eating potatoes. First, study says that whole potatoes are better than mashed or diced form of potatoes. So next time you ensure to eat the whole potatoes. Second, it is a good practice to cool the potatoes before eating them. Third, the skin of the potato should not be removed. It contains essential fiber, so you can consider keeping the skin of the potato while you prepare it. Fourth, potato salad is a good way of potato consumption. Experts have recommended it. It has found to be as a healthy option. That's all for now. Now that you have some of the doubts cleared of whether you should eat potato or not, take these precautions and consume potatoes in moderation. Thank you so much for watching the video.
Thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.